Ocean cleanup systems, restoring our oceans. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a stark example of the plastic pollution problem, with over 5 trillion pieces of plastic floating in our oceans. This pollution poses a serious threat to marine life and ecosystems. To combat this, innovative ocean cleanup systems are being developed. One such project, the Ocean Cleanup, uses floating barriers to collect plastic from the ocean surface while allowing marine life to pass safely underneath. These systems work autonomously, guided by ocean currents to areas with high plastic concentrations. The Ocean Cleanup operates on a simple principle: passive collection. U-shaped barriers are placed in areas like the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, where currents corral plastic into the system's center for easy collection. The systems are energy efficient, requiring no external power. Once collected, the plastic is transported to land, where it is sorted, recycled, or repurposed into new products, helping reduce overall plastic waste. A major advantage of these systems is their scalability. They can be deployed in large garbage patches and nearshore areas where plastic is more concentrated. Smaller versions can be used in rivers to intercept plastic before it reaches the ocean. With global deployment, ocean cleanup systems could remove 90% of ocean plastic by 2040, restoring marine environments and protecting biodiversity. However, cleanup alone isn't enough. Preventing new plastic from entering the oceans is equally important, requiring global efforts to reduce plastic production, improve waste management, and boost recycling. Combined with ocean cleanup technologies, these efforts can lead to cleaner oceans and a healthier planet.